All right, y'all. So just wanted to say thank you so much for like watching my channel, like supporting me, everything like that. I need to make sure I look great. But yeah, thank you for supporting me, all that. Quick little thing. So I will be having more videos. I'll probably have more. I have more shorts. So I'll just let y'all know I'm gonna have more shorts, have more videos, be pumping out more content for you guys. I also plan on getting my camera lens so I can post even more better content. And then I also want to do like more TikToks and everything like that. But thank you so much. This is like a video to say thank you for everybody who watched. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for just being there for me. Like definitely with all my content, definitely with my ups and downs and everything. Definitely learning, going through this life journey with me. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all been watching me for a minute, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. But yeah, just wanted to tell you guys I will be posting more. I will be doing thumbnails, as I was saying. I'm looking for like a thumbnail guy. Like I never really had thumbnails and all that, but I definitely just wanted to post on my channel. Y'all are still watching me, so I was just like, let me post. Did I just spit? I think I just spit. But thank you. I just got to post, and I want to become like a better like videographer, like YouTuber, content creator. You know what I'm saying? I want to do better content because I feel like I made it this far. I might as well keep going. Might as well keep posting. And y'all watching me, so it's like it makes more sense to do it that way. But no, I didn't quit waves and everything. It's just my hair's a little bit longer. I'm working on that, and yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna have more content, and I'm gonna get into it. So thank you. But yeah, back to it. Thank you again. Thank you for the video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.